Hello, explorers of the elementals and keepers of the fire. Tom Gingrass here with a finished piece. This is the gate lintel, a memorial gate lintel. You can see all the words are there on the outside of it. Forthen onto the horizon, which was a favorite saying of the deceased and the family that loved him so. And so what we've done here are a number of different things. I want to show you some detail things that will follow up from other videos that I've done. But this is the finished piece and just a fast look at it. And then I'll go in with some close-ups and talk about some specific areas on it. But it's going to go on 2 posts. You can see the gussets at the bottom that are black on the right and the left, and they will sit in notches on a pole, and they will be bolted. There will be hole drilled in the gussets and aligned with the holes in the pole and bolted together. So that's going to be the way it'll flow. And installation tomorrow. So maybe there'll be more after this. Take care. Thank you for watching.